Manmohan Singh can breathe easy. The Supreme Court today stayed the summons issued against the former Prime Minister in the coal allocation scam case. The court has also stayed proceedings against noted industrialist Kumar Mangalam Birla, whose flagship firm Hindalco was at the heart of the coal allotment controversy. The Supreme Court's intervention comes after a lower court made the former PM and Birla accused in the coal allocation case.
Going one step further, the Apex Court has now issued a notice to the centre raising questions on the constitutional validity of the Anti-Corruption Act in this case. It was a prestige battle of sorts for Manmohan Singh and the Congress party, with the former Law Minister and Manmohan Singh's former colleague Kapil Sibal calling the lower court summons against him a ridiculous move. The Supreme Court's quashing of the summons against Manmohan Singh and Kumar Mangalam Birla is a top story on Business Tonight.
I have done nothing illegal. Administrative decision is good or bad, not criminal. These were the two broad points that former Prime Minister Manmohan Singh made at the Apex Court today, when his lawyer Kapil Sibal challenged what he called ridiculous summons issued by the trial court. In the presence of two of Manmohan Singh's daughters, the Supreme Court bought his arguments and not only stayed the summons issued, but also stayed all the proceedings at the trial court for 3 weeks.
The Honorable Supreme Court, after hearing arguments advanced on behalf of Dr. Manmohan Singh and others, came to the conclusion that since important and substantial questions of law and the processes of criminal trial were involved to be decided, they would like to decide those issues, and in the meantime, they have ordered stay of the proceedings before the trial court.
Singh said, first, the court can't judge a policy decision as good or bad, and then it can certainly not attribute criminality to it. Harish Salve, arguing for Kumar Mangalam Birla, challenged the constitutional validity of a provision in the Prevention of Corruption Act, which the trial court used to issue summons in the first place, and which is why the court has issued notices to both the CBI and the government, who have to respond in 3 weeks. Today, the Apex Court decision to stay summons in the case has thrown the spotlight back to the oft-repeated question: how far can public officials be held criminally liable for their administrative decisions? Because as Manmohan Singh said, these decisions are either good or bad. But how does one ascertain criminality if investigation throws up nothing? Anusha Soni, ET Now, New Delhi.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/ETNow and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at ETNowLive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/ETNow.